All my coffee lovers, check this out. The Instant Pod 3-in-1 Espresso, K-Cup Pod, and Ground Coffee Maker is one to have. It was the 3-in-1 functionality that really sold me on this machine. It is compatible with K-Cup Pods, Nespresso capsules, and your own ground coffee with the included reusable pod. It makes everyone in my household happy. You are able to make cafe quality beverages at home. Now, I will say that it's compatible with Nespresso original capsules only, not the virtual pods. It comes with multiple brewing sizes, 8, 10, or 12 ounce K-Cup, 2, 4, and 6 ounce Nespresso. And I really like that it has a bold option for those who love bolder flavors. It's very easy to clean, very easy to set up, and I also like the storage compartment that collects the used pods. So just take a look at how I set things up and how I brew my first cup of coffee on this machine.